Hey everybody, it's Gary here. We are going into our second video for our aspiring author series, and this is simple plot pathways. So this gives you some ideas and a little structure for a book you want to put together. And we got title ideas on our earlier video, and this one's getting a little deeper into it. So I pre-plugged some inputs in here to save us some time since they're a little more lengthy than normal. So book title, plug this in. We're doing AI and mindfulness, embracing digital balance in a tech-driven world. That's pretty appropriate for the AI wellness universe, I'd say. Book topic ideas, explore how AI and technology can be leveraged to enhance mindfulness and mental well-being while avoiding digital burnout. And other topics, facts, or things to cover. Focus on tools, strategies, and practices to create harmony between innovation and self-care. So that's it. Generate results. Look at that, 20 seconds or less. That's incredible. And it's going to give us some information. This app will create a well-structured outline for your wellness nonfiction book. There you go. Look at that. Introduction, digital age and its impact on mental well-being, integration of AI in our daily lives. Boom. Look at that. A lot of information to work from. So this should really help you in getting ideas and structure for writing that book you want to put out. So let's make it happen. Hope this helps, everybody. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.